Hi, and welcome to the Hero Hub, where we teach you all about your Hero Smart Dispenser. In this video, I'll show you how to install the travel bar into your Hero. The travel bar is a small metal rod that is required anytime you are moving your Hero, as it keeps its inner movable parts safe from damage while in transport. Initiating travel mode or factory resetting your Hero will require you to install the travel bar before you pack up. To install it, remove the lock compartment located on the back of Hero and push the travel bar in. Make sure to keep the bar straight as you go. Twisting it to the side will cause it to hit a wall and stop midway. If the travel bar seems to be hitting a wall no matter what, you can hold the center button on the keypad while unplugging Hero, and then try again. Repeat this step if it does not work on the first try. Once the travel bar is in, replace the lock compartment and hit done. If you have questions or need assistance, feel free to chat with us at herohealth.com.